Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. Okay, this is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong July. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po, again, pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And syempre, pagdating rin sa ating mga items, okay? So, yeah, protection from evil eye, we do have ring, meron tayong bracelets, and dalawa yung bracelets natin, no? And yung ating necklace. Okay, so ganyan siya. Minimalist. Maliit lang yung pendant. So, yeah, this is unisex. And yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, bakit nagkaroon ng money? Meron na po siyang citrine. Okay, citrine stone. Citrine stone is for abundance. Okay, magneting. Ang tawag dyan, money. Okay, it's like a money magnet. No, yung atin pong citrine stones. Okay, so kumukonect tayo sa earth, kumukonect tayo sa frequency kay universe. Parang ganyan, no? And yes, this is unisex. Okay, pwede pong gumamit ang boy, ang man. Ilagay lang po sa red pouch. Okay? Ilagay lang sa red pouch. Kasi syempre, 'di ba? Sino bang aayaw? Doon sa love na may money pa. Okay? So, yun po, ha? Pwede yun. So, yung ating granter. So, si granter, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Okay, taga-grant po ng mga minamanifest ninyo. And yes, taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Again, weekly surprises from granter. Okay, so yun po, ha. This is unisex, again, made to order ang ating granter necklace. Samahan nyo ng evil eye protection kung kayo ay gagamit nito at nito. Okay, so yes, and again, yung ating pangtanggal MALAS. Kung sino man yung nagbibigay sa inyo ng alat, tatanggalin yan, haharangan yan, at kung sino pa yung mga gustong magbigay sa inyo ng kaalatan. Ha? So, pwede sa business, pwede sa bahay, pwede yan pang sariling gamit. Okay po? So, again, I need your real name. Kung ipangre-regalo, real name po ng pagre-regaluhan. Okay? So, again, let's start the reading. Scorpio, hi. So, let's see. In general, what's for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman ngayong July? Scorpio. What is for our Scorpio placements? I'm seeing glare. I don't know kung ano meron sa glare. I'm hearing glare. Okay. Let's see. Okay. The Two of Swords in reversed. The High Priestess. Some of you, meron ditong magiging open pagdating sa secrets. Pwedeng may magre-reveal ng secrets. Some of you, there could be somebody na pwedeng iniiwasan ka is magiging open na or parang lalapit na sa'yo ngayong July. Kung ito man ay somebody na hindi nakikipag-usap sa'yo, may chance na makipag-usap ngayong July. Kung sino man to, I don't know. Hindi ko na para i-clarify. Okay? So, some of you, lahat ng decision mo, mas magandang nakatago. Ha? Mas magandang nakatago. Or kung ano man, like plano, mas magandang sarilinin mo muna ngayong July. What else? Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, money is coming ngayong July. So, anong meron sa Ten of Pentacles? The Page of Pentacles in reverse. So, nakuha ko dito, lalo na yung may mga business, even though it's small business, I'm hearing a lot of sale or sabihin nating high sales, no? Parang ganyan, or sell. Parang ganun. May mga mabebenta or parang more sales ako naririnig. More sales, customers. Okay, or in general sa lahat po, no? Pagdating sa pamemera, kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo sa pamemera or paano kayo nagkakapera, ang nakuha ko is pagtaas, paglago, pagdami. Okay, ngayong July. Okay, ating ilak. Oo, yung ganyang energy para sa'yo. Okay, so ilak natin. Kuha tayo ng evil eye. Okay. Sayang sayang kung hindi natin ilalak to, no? Okay, sayang kung mapupunta lang sa mapapangit na energy, no? Parang ganyan, like makukuha or sabihin nating sasabihan, ay hindi naman ganito, ganyan. Yeah, that's a way of evil eyeing, no? So lock na natin, may protection na, makukuha mo yan. Okay, makukuha mo yan, Scorpio. I'm hearing Gemini. I don't know why. So maybe you need to protect your energy from a Gemini, I guess. Okay, so what else? Scorpio. Okay, money is coming in. Claim it. Money is coming in. Another source of income, some of you. Okay, so what else? Page of Wands. Yeah, iba talaga dito, talagang papasok sa pagbi-business ngayong July or merong mga sisimulang bago. Okay, may mga ang tawag dyan, parang papasuking bagong, hindi ko alam kung bagong negosyo or bagong hobby. Mayroon ako naririnig na mag-aaral ng ganito, ganyan, para gawing business, parang ganon. Page of Wands. The Star Universe. Somebody wanting na makuha yung attention mo. Could be an Aquarius or a fire sign. There's somebody who is putting interest pagdating sa'yo. They have interest, pero some of them, they're too shy to come forward. Yeah, the Moon. They're shy. Some of them, they're just waiting for you na ikaw yung mauna. Okay, yeah, the Empress Universe. Gusto ka nito, I don't know. Some of you, this person, sabihin nating pwedeng, ang tingin nila hindi mo sila gusto. So, may chance na parang naghihintay lang siya. They like you. Tingnan natin kung sino to. Who is this Page of Wands para sa mga Scorpio? Or pwedeng merong ngang nagkakagusto sa'yo, pero hindi ka interesado. Or magkakagusto pero hindi ka magiging interesado. What's with this Page of Wands? Who is this? The Knight of Cups. Oo. Itong taong to hindi niya kayang mag-move towards you. Okay? May pagkatorpe kung lalaki to. Or shy type in general. Okay? Yeah. I'm getting two. I don't know kung ikaw itong somebody na pwedeng meron ng kakonect or ang tawag dyan, ina-entertain, something like that, or pwedeng alam niya or tingin niya sa'yo is meron kang somebody, and yun yung dahilan kung bakit hindi sila nagmo-move towards you. Okay, so there. So let's see the person on your mind, Scorpio. The person on your mind, who is this? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's see for our Scorpio placements. The person on your mind. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. They're not available. The King of Cups in reverse. They're not available. Some of them, they have emotional blockage. Okay? Some of you ni-reject ka nito. Yeah, Two of Wands in reversed. somebody, ito hindi ito para sa lahat. Nakakuha ko ng energy sa kanya na meron siyang sakit sa puso. Okay? Hindi ito para sa lahat. Meron ako nakikita rito, somebody may sakit sa puso. Pwedeng ikaw or ito. Itong taong to. That's channeled. They're not open. Maybe emotionally not open. Okay? So, ano meron sa taong to? Hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay high blood lamang. No? Or pinapataas ng taong to, BP mo. Mga ganong bagay. I don't know. Let's see. Ano bang situation? The Eight of Pentacles Universe. Okay, so meron ditong hindi nag-work out. The Knight of Wands. Ooh. So, meron dito nag-cheat. Wow, nakakapag-cheat pa, no? Oo naman. Yeah, the Two of Swords. So, energy ng options, no? I guess, itong taong to is hindi na naging available sa'yo kasi pwedeng, or sabihin nating emotional blockage lang or hindi siya talaga open na for you emotionally. Kasi some of them, merong iba. There's options. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung anong next action nito towards you, Scorpio. Hindi nyo po kailangan kunin lahat. Okay? Hindi naman kasi lahat pwede mag-resonate. Kung mag-resonate man, edi good. 'Di ba? Parang ikaw na yung binabasahan ko talaga. So, let's see. Ano ba ang emosyon or next action ng taong to? Next action. The Wheel of Fortune. The Three of Cups. So, nandun pa rin siya actually. Mas pipiliin pa rin niya yung isa. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, the Nine of Cups. Some of you, ina-advisean ka na mag-move on, na mag-heal. The Nine of Cups. Okay, the Six of Pentacles. Some of you are still open for another chance. Okay, hoping for forgiveness. Maybe you're waiting for them na mag-sorry sa'yo. Parang ganun. Pero I don't see it coming. Okay? I don't see it happening this July. So, who else? Who else, Scorpio? The person on your mind. Let's see. The person on Scorpio's mind. Who are they? Who is this? The Eight of Wands. Could be somebody na kausap mo na ngayon. Open ang communication nyo. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. The Five of Wands. Yeah. Madalas kayong, I don't know kung madalas kayong mag-away or there's a lot of drama here. Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Somebody's putting more effort than the other. I'm hearing one-sided connection. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. Okay. There's communication. Some of you, this is like a sex-based connection. A lot of sex. Scorpio, a lot. There's a lot of sex. Pwedeng ka, yes, alam mo na, itong taong to is F-body mo. Communication, yeah, pero the relationship or the label, I think, hindi pa ganun kaklaro. Anyway, let's see. Gusto bang malaman ano ba talagang emosyon niya sa'yo? Sa mga naka-resonate doon? Okay. Kung ito ay iyong F-body. Let's see. Ano ba talagang emosyon niya? Wala pa kayong label nito. Wala pa po. Hindi pa kayo. Pero may nangyayari. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba talagang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo, Scorpio? The World in reverse. Death. Some of them, they're dealing with past. energies. Okay? They're sad. Para kang ano, emosyon nito for you, Scorpio, is hindi malinaw. Okay? Hindi malinaw. Pwedeng naapektuhan siya ng kung ano man na nanggaling sa past, na nangyari sa past. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Swords. Para kang nagiging pahingahan ng taong to, Scorpio. I don't know, maybe both of you. Nagiging pahingahan yung isa't isa. No label needed. It's like, parang ano whenever na gusto niyang umalis sa sitwasyon na to or sa connection na to, pwede. Wala tayong commitments at all. Yun ang naririnig ko from them. No commitments at all. Let's see. Next action. Tingnan natin next action niya. Ten of Cups. Nako, mahirap to. What's with the Ten of Cups? Ayan na, the Knight of Swords. Eto. Ayan na. Next action, the Eight of Cups. At the bottom of the deck. May chance po na alisan ka nito kapag po okay na siya. Diretsuhan, may chance po na alisan ka nito pag po nakaramdam na siya ay okay na or masaya na. Ha? The Two of Swords. A decision. Decision niya yun. Okay? So, the Eight of Cups is walking away from this connection. Okay? The Seven of Swords. I don't know. Some of you, itong taong to is already in a commitment or pwedeng ikaw. There's no label. There's no commitments involved. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-demand dito. Anytime na gusto niyang umalis, well, goodbye. Parang ganon. Okay? Pag nakaramdam ng parang okay na siya, the Knight of Swords is here. Biglang may mag-stop. In reverse, no? Knight of Swords in reverse. Mauuna pagdating sa komunikasyon. Hindi na yan magiging like 100% magre-reply sa'yo, tatawagan ka, whatsoever. Hindi na siya magiging open or ready. Mga ganung bagay. May paglalaylo. Okay? So, advice, Scorpio. Advice. So, wag nyong baliwalain itong advice. Okay? Ayaw natin yung ganito, pero dapat handa ka. Advice. The Ten of Wands Universe, dapat ready ka sa ganito. Kung papasok ka sa ganyan, alam mo naman, dapat ready ka rin. Okay? Sabi nga, kung gusto mo, papasok ka sa relasyon, andyan yung love, dapat handa ka rin na masaktan. May ganun Ten of Wands Universe, dapat ready ka. Kung aayawan ka, hindi ka para humabol, hindi ka para mag-demand. The Ten of Wands, this is surrender. Some of you, if you need to surrender this right now, habang nanonood ka, mag-isip ka na, huwag mo nang palalimin pa to. Okay? The Ten of Wands. You need to drop this. Drop it. Like it's hot. Why the Ten of Wands? Yeah, the Four of Cups in reverse. Wala pong sinasabi ditong hindi ka manghihinayang. Okay? Wala akong nakikita ng panghihinayang niya. The Ace of Swords is here. Kung ikaw nasisiyahan, well, okay, pagpatuloy mo. Pero kung hindi at na-attach ka na, well, this is the right time for you. Okay? Na mag-isip-isip na. Enough with the emotions. Yeah, see? The King of Cups in reverse. Enough with the emotions. Anyway, so wala kang panghihinayangan dito kasi siya, hindi naman siya manghihinayang. So, real talk lang. No? Yes, no sugar-coated. No sugar-coating readings. Oo, dito sa Fias Tarot. No? Okay. Ayoko nung parang fairy tale. Kung may fairy tale man tayong nababasa minsan, well, good. Okay? Hindi naman tayo laging puro BS na reading eh, no? So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. Don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe. So, Aries, endings. Taurus, they're waiting. Gemini, they can't commit. Cancer, they're looking for you. Leo, they want control over this. Virgo, they're waiting, expecting. Libra, too much hot and cold energy coming from them. Okay. Scorpio, their back is turned. Or parang feeling la ayaw mo sa kanila. Ayaw mo sa kanya. Okay? So, Sagittarius, wala nang ginagawa. Sagittarius, wala na siyang balak na umaksyon whatsoever. No focus at all. Capricorn, selfish. Aquarius, there's infidelity. Okay? Imbalance pagdating sa sitwasyon. Pisces, they like you. They're interested. They're attracted. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.